Are you taking action on what you think is possible or on what you truly want? Let me tell you this. A month ago, a few weeks ago, I was at my niece's house. And while we were playing together, we were having fun, at some point, I don't even know why, but I asked her, "Hey, what's your dream?" She's 4 years old. And so while we were playing, she had a book with her. And once I asked that question, she opened the book and she started to tell me, my dream is to get on a hot balloon. And I was like, oh, wow, that's cool. And then once she started to list all the dreams that she had, I have noticed that she was listing these things because she was looking at the book. She was listing everything that she could see with her eyes. So at some point I said, oh, I see. So then I did this. I took the book, I closed the book, I threw it away, and I said, okay, now tell me, what's your dream? And she was repeating the same things that she saw on the book. Now, here is a great lesson here. What I want to tell you is this. Whatever vision that you have, whatever dream that you have, make sure doesn't come from what you think is possible and from what you can see with your eyes. Because the greatest dreams, what is truly meant for you, is not seen with your eyes, is seen with your heart. It's that vision that nobody can see but you. It's that vision that your soul gave you that you think is impossible. Don't mistake in this. Don't think that what you see is what you can have, because it is not. True dreams, true visions are not born from your eyes, but from within, from your heart. And that's what I said. I said this, I said, hey, your biggest dreams don't come from your eyes on what you can see. Your dreams are in here, in your heart. And she said something incredible. It can be like very easy and simple, but it's not. She said, and how do you know that? What a great question. What a great question she asked. If you're playing too small by what you think it is possible, this is not meant for you. Open up your heart. Bring back that massive vision that you had, that you thought was impossible, and start to work for it. Because that vision that came to your mind, that dream that you thought was impossible, it is your soul speaking to you, directing you to the right path. But nobody teaches us that. Nobody does. And that's the key. If you truly want to find your path in life, you need to close your eyes and open your heart. This message is very short, but I believe it's truly essential to make you understand that what is meant for you is within yourself, and nobody else can see it rather than yourself. Dream big and don't settle, ever.